alphabetical order. Starting with the Hawks, ending with the Wizards. First team, we'll go to Floro. Next team, Celtics, will go to Hayden. Nets, will go to Hayden. The Hornets, will go to Hayden. The Chicago Bulls will go to Hayden. The Cleveland Cavaliers will go to Chi-Town. I don't have actual names because it's not like I did this one on eBay, so. The Mavericks will go to Hayden. The Denver Nuggets will go to Hayden. The Detroit Pistons will go to Floro. What's going on, Jose? It's been a minute since eBay shut me down. The Warriors will go to Hayden. Looking for a nice pal in here. The Rockets will go to Jose. It's a pretty good one. The Pacers will go to Hayden. Matherin in there, hopefully. The Los Angeles Clippers will go to Sam. My Lakers will go to Hayden. The Memphis Grizzlies will go to Floro. Miami Heat will go to Hayden. The Milwaukee Bucks will go to Chi-Town. The Timberwolves will go to Jose. The New Orleans Pelicans will go to Hayden. The New York Knicks will go to Floro. The Thunder with the Williams will go to Hayden. The Williams plural. The Orlando Magic will go to Hayden. The 76ers will go to Jose. The Suns will go to Floro. For everybody here, Trailblazers will go to Hayden. For everybody here, UNH breaks, just like my name on here, will be my new whatnot name. I'll be trying to do some stuff on there. Get my breaks back up. The Kings will go to Hayden. Trying to get my breaks back up here since eBay jipped me. The Spurs, Hayden. The Raptors will be Sam. The Jazz, Walker Kessler will be UK. And the Wizards. Last but not least, the Wizards will be Hayden. Alright. There is the list. Alright, let's get into the actual break now. Let's get into the fun part. Okay, anyway, like I was saying, I kind of got distracted by myself. I'm moving on to Whatnot now. I got approved. So, if you want to follow me on there, it's the same name on here, UNH Breaks. I obviously didn't post anything yet or do anything yet. I'm still working on that part, but I would appreciate it if you guys could go over there and help me out. Get back to where I was. Alright, starting off with a Giannis out of 75. That will be going to Chi-Town, alright. I think I'm going the wrong way here, so we're going to flip it. Alright, Chet off to start. Johnny Davis rookie. a Keegan Murray. Starting off with a thick... Oh, no, never mind. Just filler. All right. We got a Jalen Green. Chronicles. All right. Nice filler card already. A Walker Kessler. Diagon. A Paolo on the Phoenix. Never can complain with Paolo. We're going to get a Malachi Branham on the silver. And the Marquee silver. And then the Giannis out of 75. We'll sleeve up the Giannis. Because everybody enjoys a nice Giannis. And we'll sleeve up the Paolo. Come on. Alright. There we go. Hopefully we can top those out. I see that you guys... the way that my camera is, the way that my holder is, I can't see what you guys are actually saying, so I can only see you guys are texting in the thing. So like I see that Shy-Town said something, but I can't see what it is, so I'm sorry that I'm not answering. Christian Coloco rookie. De'Aaron Fox base. A Mathurin Luminance. A Harden. Jaden Hardy, not Harden, rookie. We're going to get an Antetokounmpo Hoops Premium here. A LaMelo Ball. Silver. And a Jake Larvia. Jake Larvia. Alright. I don't think we got anything to top out these guys. We'll stick with them. Alright. Musa Diabot. Peyton Watson rookie. A Paolo numbered to 99 on the Prestige. It's a Prestige blue. A Mathurin Phoenix. Is this going to be an auto here? This is going to be our first auto here. An Avery Johnson to 149. Alright. First hit. I was going to take out Antetokounmpo. There we go. Avery Johnson. We're going to get Lillard. And then an XR Ivy. Alright. First hit there. There's 2 autographs per box in here, so that'll be one of 2. Hopefully we can get a bigger one on the next one. Alright. A Paolo. Johnny Davis. AJ Griffin. Hoops Premium. Alright. Keegan Murray on the score. Okay. Dyson Daniels rookie. Wendell Moore Jr. rookie. Tari Eason to 149. Nice thick card there. And a Ty Washington. Okay. Booker. Shaden Sharp. Christian Coloco. Jeremy Sohan. That's a nice one out of 99. Another thick card there. I think that's called Gold Series, but don't quote me on that. Jabari Smith Jr. rookie. An XR Jalen Williams. An Usain Dieng. And another numbered Giannis to 149. All right. I'll take numbered Giannis all day. All right. Last one here. Gotta be. Unless we get per box here, which has happened before. 2 second autograph here, hopefully. Jokic. Christie. Griffin. Duran, numbered to 149, I believe it says. Jordan Goodwin. Jaden McDaniels. Oh, here's the backward. We're going to have a Denver Nugget. A Nikola Jokic, Marquis Silver. And an Oche Agbaji. Man, I just botched that one. Okay, so we got average there. That's kind of ridiculous. That's actually, let me just look at the box here. Yep, find 2 autographs per box on average. And there just was absolutely not a second autograph in there. Okay. Well, that's definitely ridiculous that we just got on average like that again. That happened to me in a Mosaic box one time too, where I just didn't even get any autographs. Okay. Well, despite the being average there, I hope that you guys enjoyed the break. We got the Avery Johnson rookie, couple Palos, couple nice cards in there. Yeah, couple numbered Giannis's. I already said my whatnot is UNH _breaks. So please go give that a follow and stick around there, because I'll be doing all my breaks on there from now on. Thank you guys for watching.